Hi, Jeff Simon here for SocialFlight at Sun and Fun 2024. I'm here for another hangar tour, bringing you inside the hangars at Sun and Fun, just in case you can't get here yourself. And I'm starting here in front of Wheeling Aerospace Technologies. I'll tell you, we use their lighting on the Bonanza. We're building it into the Mustang. Absolutely love their products. They're really fantastic. So if you haven't upgraded from old strobes or any of the incandescent lights that pull so much power out of your battery and your alternator and kind of stress your aircraft's electrical system, be sure to check these out because they are very, very cool. So now let's take a walk down here and see who else we can find.
Yourselves? Good.
Landing on an aircraft carrier. There you go. And enjoy the destination.
Actually, talk about innovation. My friends over here at GAMI and Tornado Alley Turbo, these are the guys that are solving the 100 low lead problem, like with their G100 fuel that has no lead in it and is actually going to be changing the face of general aviation. But how they really got started is with their GAM ejectors. That's one of the biggest things. We use them in the Bonanza. They're in so many other aircraft around. So if you're looking to fly lean of peak, learn from George Brawley and the gang here at GAMI, and you can get their balanced GAM ejectors, and it just changes the way you fly. So they're a really, really cool group to visit here at the show.
I'll follow you. I want to go to building C and then I can just hang out a little bit.
I want to visit here with EarthX Batteries. Kathy,
Hi,
how are you doing? This is Kathy with EarthX Batteries. I'll tell you, you guys have some of the most fantastic products. They are small, lightweight, extremely powerful. We're using them on our Mustang build, and tell us a little bit about what's going on, because you've got so much new news. It's not just experimental, it's certified, it's chargers. What's going on?
Yeah, so this year is really exciting that Cirrus and their new aircraft, the G7, now comes with an EarthX battery. So that's a 24 volt. It's like this guy here. It's only 7 pounds.
Wow.
So that's why the certified...
7 pounds for a battery that you're used to like straining your back, taking in and out?
Exactly, yeah. So that's exciting. We have a whole lot more STCs that are approved. We have a lot in the 12 volt market, soon to have the 24 volt market on STCs. We have new products. We have a new 24 volt that was designed for a turbine aircraft. Right at this minute, it's experimental. It is going through the certification process.
Nice.
By demand, we had a lot of OEMs asking for a 24 volt backup battery.
Yeah.
We have that.
Wow.
That we're innovating, showing here. So a lot of aircraft OEMs are making the switch over from a lead acid to a lithium.
Well, I'll tell you, we love dealing with it on the Mustang, and it's great because we've been able to use it during development. Your chargers, the Optimate that you're selling here, also is very intelligent charging of all of it. And it allows us, in our case, dealing with an automotive engine, losing a battery, losing part of your electrical system means you're losing your engine.
Right.
And so the ability to have a completely independent backup system is really important. And we're going to be doing a video coming up that's going to go over that. Going to talk about the EarthX batteries and how we're upgrading to the 1200s, dual 1200s. If you can just grab one of those to show you the size, the form factor. This is what's so impressive. First of all, that I'm holding it with one hand, and it's like, it's lightweight, and the form factor of it allows us to put two in the same spot that we would have one normal battery.
Yeah, and you're still going to save 50% of the weight.
Wow.
Two of these versus one.
I will tell you, one of the things I'm very passionate about as an AMP and an IA, and what I kind of teach is how important batteries really are. It's easy to kind of not think about them a little bit, but the speed at which you're turning over when you go to start that aircraft is the wear on the engine. It's
Right.
before oil pressure has come up. It might be cold conditions that might get you out of a bind. If you're dealing with like a Continental engine or something that has a starter adapter associated with it, then the power of your battery directly translates into the health of that starter adapter,
Right.
grabbing it, turning the engine, and not having problems that can actually lead to mechanical problems down the road. So batteries, I mean, you know it, you live it all day long.
Yes.
Batteries are important.
They are, and so another really nice perk of a lithium battery is their resting voltage is 13.28.
Oh, wow.
So you're starting at more cranking and higher voltage. Makes it easier to start.
Right. So yeah. So regular lead acid battery, you're going to test it just over 12 points, something like that, 12,
Right.
12 and a half, and yeah, this is going to be 13.8 right off the bat.
Exactly.
Excellent. Well, again, during our build, it's such a great thing because we have the capacity to really test the system. So thank you for supporting us.
Thanks for
for
stopping
everything
by.
that you do, and enjoy the show.
Thanks. You guys too.
All right.
Enjoy.
For Sun and Fun 2024, I'm Jeff Simon with SocialFlight. Blue skies.